you in my life song. Lay with your head in my lap. It was never the two of us like that.
Hey friends, what's up? I literally just kicked out my family so I could make this video. I still get embarrassed whenever I film in front of them, so this is gonna be very interesting because I'm gonna be making some brownies, and I've never made brownies from scratch before. Fun fact, I've only done it from like the things that you can buy, like you just like add like oil or whatever and like call it a day. But I thought I would want to experience making brownies from scratch for the first time with you guys, so that's what I'm doing. All right, so obviously I went onto Pinterest to try to find this recipe, and I looked up the most simple recipe that I could, clicked on the first one, and here I am. So I have all the ingredients right here. I have a big bowl. I have cocoa powder. I also have some sugar in this random like mason jar, 3 eggs, unsalted butter, we need a stick and a half, flour, pure vanilla extract, and like this is like some organic so we'll see how that goes. I literally paid like $7 for this, so this better be good. I actually think my house is gonna burn down because I'm the worst, but we'll see. Actually, I need to preheat the oven, so I'll go do that right now. I'm gonna do it at 350, I think that's what it said. Okay, so preheating right now. I'm gonna get started baking. I'm very excited. And if this like actually becomes like a thing, if we had a name for this, I think that would be adorable. So if you guys have any like suggestions or anything, that'd be awesome. But I have the, am I out of focus? Okay, I have the recipe. So I feel lied to. This says that it's supposed to be a 1 bowl brownie. And I thought that'd be really great because baking is fun, whatever, but I don't like cleaning up after myself. It's kind of like a burden, so I wanted to find something that had 1 bowl and like that'd be super clean and everything. But it's saying, actually it probably is my fault, but it's saying to microwave the cocoa powder and butter into a large microwave safe bowl. This is not microwave safe, so I think it's my fault actually. Sorry. These are microwave safe, right? Like it's glass. So what I'm gonna do is put it in here and not have to wash the dishes a ton, because I don't have like I do have a dishwasher, but like Asian households, at least like mine, we hand wash our shit, so yeah, I don't want to hand wash like a ton of stuff. First thing I need to do is put the cocoa powder in and 3/4 cup of butter. Ooh, good stuff. Today was like an okay day, like not the best, not the like worst though, but I could definitely use a pick-me-up, and I thought making brownies would just be the best. So that's what I did. Literally went to the store and got brownie ingredients, and here I am. Okay, where is 3/4 of, did I already overfill it? 3/4 of a cup. Okay, I'm almost there. I forgot what I was saying. I really hope these brownies turn out well because I love brownies so much. So if these turn out bad, I'll just be kind of sad, not gonna lie. For me, winter formal is February 3rd. And I didn't, like it was supposed to be February 18th. I don't know why, like our school changed it, but I need to find a dress, so I'm going to shopping tomorrow. Kind of excited, but also like whenever I try to go dress shopping, like it doesn't work out. I literally had to find my dress like the day before, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, you guys probably don't care, but I wanted to tell you. And now I'm going to take 1.5 sticks of butter and just put it in there. I definitely should get another bowl, but again, don't want to hand wash, so we'll see how this goes. I usually never get sticks of butter, so this is kind of like a new thing for me. Like I usually get butter in like the tub. Other like baking videos that I've seen, like they have like the sticks of butter, and like now I get to be part of the club. This is very great. This is actually so cringy. I'm sorry that I'm like this. Also probably should not be wearing a cardigan that's like really big while I'm baking actually. You know, it's fine. If I get it dirty, it's my fault. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Okay. I'm not, but I feel like I am. So I'm gonna melt this just like, and then I'll add the other half stick of butter. Put it in for 20 seconds. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean this. So then, cause I need to cut that in half and I don't want it like contaminated, you know? Oh, I probably should have melted it first and then put the cocoa powder in. Okay, I stirred it all up and it looks like this. I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. It's a lot better than I thought it would look like. So this is going off to a good start. I feel like normally bakers like soften the butter and then like they mix everything together, but this one said like actually to like melt it. Let me clean this stuff up because it's already giving me anxiety. To stir in the sugar, add eggs and vanilla and mix well. So I guess I need to transfer it over. Ooh, that looks good. This thing to try to get every last bit of chocolate. Well, that was satisfying. I love this. Yay. So I need 2 cups of sugar. So I need to use this cup again, so hopefully does not taste good. Oh my god, so bad. So I'm gonna use this again, so hopefully sugar doesn't get stuck everywhere. I mean, like it will, but I could just scrape it out, so it'll be fine. Okay, that's 1 cup. That's a lot of sugar, oh my god. I'm gonna do a little less than 1 cup for this one. Yep, I knew that would happen. Fix all of that, so I'm just gonna add a little bit less than a cup in. Now I'm going to stir it, and I have this Swiss. It's pretty large, but I think I can handle it. What a nice noise. Okay, a huge pet peeve is when it gets stuck in there. Like, what the hell? Add eggs and vanilla. So I'm gonna add in my 3 eggs. Oh, that was bad. Okay. Yep, that got on my coat. Not my coat, my cardigan. So bad at this. I used to be good at cracking eggs when I was like little. Like I used to be able to do it like with 1 hand. I lost that talent. Now I'm gonna go throw this away. So I'm gonna mix the eggs in and then put the vanilla. I feel like this bowl was maybe a little too large, but you know, I think I'd rather it be like that than like put it in too small of a bowl and then have to transfer it anyways. Might as well just go straight to the point. Maybe, I know it's a little big, but size doesn't matter. Now I need to add in the vanilla. So it says 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon right here. Okay, I can't. Got it. I'm just gonna add in a little. That was definitely too much, but you know, mistakes happen and I'm just gonna dump this out. Okay, well, I hope these don't taste bad because of me being dumb, so I think it'll be fine, hopefully. Mix some more. And then now I'm going to add the flour, and then that's it. Super easy. Flour is literally so messy. This is gonna be very fun to clean up. Oh, that's actually 1 cup, okay. So I'm just gonna put that in there, scrape the sides, and now I'm gonna stir. First, close this, make sure it doesn't spill everywhere. Okay, this is actually looking really good. I'm impressed. Thought this would be all downhill, but you know, I kind of believe in myself. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it's edible. That's the only goal here. Mix it all together and you know that is the best of both worlds. Okay, not a good idea. I kind of like, you know how she does that? Tired. So today we watched a very boring movie in class and all I could think about was just being at home and making these brownies. So like having my dream come true right now is really, really fun. We had an in-class essay. Definitely failed that. I'm so illiterate. We're definitely not stirred enough. There's still some chunks in there, but you know, I think we'll survive. I think it's fine. It adds character. I already put the butter away, so I probably should have buttered this before I put it away. But I'm a little lazy right now, so I'm just gonna use Pam. Don't want it stuck everywhere. Video stopped recording for some reason. I don't know where it stopped. Have I not been in focus this whole time? Well, I'm in focus now, so. Now I'm just going to this. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Pretty good, pretty clean. Make sure it's all even because I don't want it to cook all weird. There we go, we're done. That's actually, oh, it's a lot of sugar. Yep, a lot of sugar. But, you know, brownies, they'll be good anyway. So I'm gonna go put these in the oven. I don't know for how long. So I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay, so I waited like 10 minutes and now I'm gonna go get them right now. There it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a knife and a glass of milk. I don't know. Put it in a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cup because I thought it was cool. So I have that right here. I also got some sprinkles over here because I'm ready to have a good time. So I thought sprinkles would be just adorable. So right now I'm watching Black Mirror. I'm watching the second episode of season 4. I've been like jumping around between seasons and everything like that. A+ show, very, very, very good. I really recommend it. It's definitely not gonna be even, but it's okay. Okay, you know what? I started off really good and then the lines just started to get crooked. Ooh, okay. So taste test. Okay, this is a lot better than I expected it to be. I love it. It's actually so good. What the heck? Very proud of myself. I would rate this probably like a 9 out of 10. No, we're good. But yeah, this is the first baking video. If you guys like it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. Pretty close to 100,000. Crazy. And that was hot. Okay. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.
A gem of the rock, I could be your finishing touch. So wherever you go with you, babe. Go with you, baby. Wherever you go with you, babe. Go